standards. The result, heavy public losses, and taxpayers left to pay the price. MEPCO approved electrification for 89 housing societies on overloaded feeders, without installing required capacitors. This alone caused an energy loss of 418 million rupees. Another 2.343 billion rupees went to schemes that lacked approval from the Multan Development Authority, violating the Punjab Cities Act. More losses followed: unpaid grid sharing, expired bank guarantees, and funds collected for grid stations that were never built. The audit named specific cases. At the Mall of Multan, an undue favor of 7.854 million rupees was granted by skipping an independent feeder. At Sharif Complex, illegal electrification worth 3.443 million rupees bypassed planning approvals. At Greenview Society, unauthorized transformers avoided sponsor costs of 9 million rupees. At Classic Villas and Buck Villas, grid costs worth tens of millions were